Now the new thing. Aditi, now it's your turn. Tell me the answer here. Aditi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is simple. Tell me the answer.
सर थर्ड लाइन में यू आएगा ना, परसेंट यू आपने डी लिखा है शायद, क्या डी आएगा?
-2 सर।
माइनस डी और माइनस यू कुछ भी लिखो, आंसर में कोई इश्यू नहीं होता. In the previous also, if I printed here percent d, then also it will show me the correct answer. Fine. In the new compiler, that is not a problem. In the previous one, Turbo C, there might be a problem.
फाइन सर.
Now, Ujjwal, see, first of all, we don't need percent u because Sumit is saying answer is -2 because we are taking not address, we are taking values.
Value.
See, we are taking the values. Aditi, आपने अब तक आंसर नहीं दिया.
सर मैं दे ही रही थी तब तक आपने बोल दिया.
इतना टाइम लोगे आप आंसर देने में?
नहीं, आप लोग बात कर रहे थे ना, इसलिए बीच में टोक
अच्छा,
कर.
ठीक है. So answer is -2. Now in the next line, tell me क्या होगा?
एड्रेस माइनस होगा.
एड्रेस माइनस होगा. लेट मी शो यू. एड्रेस माइनस हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? x minus 1 is 1. First we need to print x and y also. Let me show you. X equal to percent u, y equal to percent u, x comma y comma x minus 1. Let's see. So they are, fortunately they are at the continuous memory location. That's why x minus y equal to 1. Now see, it is not 4. Even though difference is 4, it is showing us answer 1. Why? Because the difference is only one data block. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
It is not showing us the total number of bytes. It is converted it into data type of a pointer, and pointer data type is integer. That's why answer is 1. Is it fine?
Sir, will you please repeat it?
सर लेकिन तो 4 आना चाहिए सर, 1 क्यों आया? क्योंकि 64 माइनस 60
भाई वही तो एक्सप्लेन किया, ना मैंने.
नहीं सर, मुझे
वही एक्सप्लेन किया. सी,
एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दो.
difference is 4. Difference is 4. But in the previous question we have seen, when we decrease by -1, it will take 4 byte difference. So now in this question we will see that when there is 4 byte difference, it will one data block because we are taking integer type of pointer. Got my point?
Okay sir, got it.
Anyone need explanation again?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Now see, difference is 4 byte. Fine. But x minus y would be 1. Let me show you here. Wait a second. In the previous example, when we did this, when we decrement this by 1, when we decrement j by 1, what is the answer was? 4 byte difference. Sorry, we are decremented by 2 now. So let me decrement it by 1. So that is 4 byte difference. Can you see that?
Yes sir.
Now let me take it some in another example, another thing. Suppose I am taking k here. K equal to j minus 1 and we are printing k. So see, difference is 4 byte even if we are decreasing by 1. Now what will happen when I am printing printf %u let me explain you again. When we are decrementing j equal to I, so answer is this one. When I decremented it by 1, so it is difference is 4 byte. So same way, when I subtract j minus k, even though it is 4 byte, but it will show us answer 1 because that is the block size of that data. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt right now?
सर ब्लॉक साइज तो 4 होती है ना, 1 कैसे क्या होती, मतलब
बेटा,
जो टेप होता है मेमोरी का।
साइज 4 था, लेकिन वो कितने डेटा ब्लॉक थे? 1 थे ना?
हाँ मतलब नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स
हाँ,
ऐसा।
नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स।
ओके, गॉट इट
ठीक है,
सर।
j माइनस 1 करने पे 4 बाइट का डिफरेंस आएगा, j माइनस स्पेसिफिक एड्रेस करने पे नंबर ऑफ डेटा ब्लॉक्स आएंगे, नंबर ऑफ डेटा
ओके,
ब्लॉक्स।
गॉट
ठीक
इट
है?
सर, गॉट इट। यस।
किसी को डाउट है अभी भी? Anyone have any doubt now? Okay. Now let me show you the other. Now what would be the output? Suppose x address of x is 1000 and address of y is 500. Sorry, the address of A is 500, 1000, and address of B is 500. So x equal to 1000 and y equal to 500. What would be the output?
2.
2. Who gave that answer?
Aditi.
Aditi. Okay. What would be the output of next line? X multiplied by y?
Multiplication of both the addresses.
Okay.
X-
Now, Ankita, tell me what is the answer of x plus y? Ankita?
Sir, 2.
1000 and 500. So what is the out?
1515.
1500.
सर लेकिन वो ब्लॉक ट्रीट करेगा ना,
Okay.
एक ब्लॉक ऐसे।
Okay. So all of you are incorrect. So let me show you.
सर मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर 1 आएगा।
Okay. Again, you are incorrect. First, let me show you the x divided by y error. Then let me show you x multiplied by y error. Now let me show you x plus y, which we already did. सब एडिशन हम कर चुके हैं ना पॉइंटर में।
हाँ।
अगेन
Yes.
एरर। ठीक है, so these are errors and they will be always error. Now see, the only valid arithmetic operation applicable on the pointers are addition of integer to a pointer, subtraction of a integer to a pointer. That means we are adding any integer constant to a pointer, that is fine. Even though it is not integer, it is a constant, that is also fine. Subtraction of two pointers is also valid, but multiplication of two pointer, division of two pointer and addition of two pointer is invalid operation. Got my point?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Anyone can tell me why? Even specifically for addition, in the case of addition, we have done it perfectly with the integer. But now when we are adding two pointer, it is not working. Tell me why?
Size of a pointer.
Size of a pointer.
सर जो साइज होती है मेमोरी की वो हेक्साडेसिमल में होती है और वो बहुत बड़ी होती है, तो अभी हम उसको और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एक्चुअली और बड़ी हो जाएगी। That's why
Actually,
सर
problem is
हम
with
लोग
these,
एड्रेसेस को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं.
with this problem is when we add or multiply or divide, it might go out of bound. Suppose your memory address is from 1 to 2000 and you are adding two pointer. One address is 1000 and another one is 1004. So it is giving us 2004. But our whole memory is up to 2000 only. So it might go out of bound. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So that's why multiplication, division, addition is not possible. Only subtraction is possible between the two pointer, and addition and subtraction with the integer is possible. But multiplication and division with the integer is also not possible.